My name's Daniel Laws. I'm the technical director from South Downs Solar. And what we concentrate mainly on is delivering solar PV systems to residential and commercial clients. During the process, we have recognised a problem within the UK industry where a lot of power that's being generated is actually going back to the national grid. So what we've done is we've developed the Smart Power Controller, which I'd like to talk to you about today, which I think could be relevant here in India. We've listening to what you guys have had to say today, it's very interesting because the main reason I've come here was to understand actually what issues you guys are facing and how we can integrate what we're doing and make it work for you. So some of the things here may not be completely relevant right now, but we can adjust our designs to work for you, so you see the benefit. So the team, the need, the device. Our team are experienced group of people who really understand the technology in the renewable industry. From that, we've developed this Smart Power Controller because we recognised that there was a problem with this excess amount of electricity going back onto the national grid, causing a lot of disruption. It really came from a customer need to start off with, where people were buying. Last year it was over £10,000, £15,000 for a small domestic system, and the same question kept being asked was, when do I know when to switch things on to best use this free electricity? And the problem is that you don't really know unless you are monitoring it all of the time, because throughout the day you have different light conditions, and so you're generating more and less all the time throughout every day. So we've developed the Smart Power Controller, and what that does, it maximises the benefit from renewables by using or storing 100% of the power generated. This in turn will obviously help stabilise the national grid, because it stops it going back past the meter where all the trouble's been caused. So the device has the ability to be monitored, and you can remotely control your energy from anywhere in the world. So you can do that. We have an iPhone app. You can use it on your PC, your Apple Mac at work, so you can see what's going on in your home or your business. So you don't have to worry about sort of what's going on within your business, how much energy is being used. If rooms are not being accommodated, you can easily switch off the power in that room through our full automation system, which you'll see in a little while. You can use the device to heat water in the UK. That's a big issue for us because we have a lot of hot water cylinders which have got heating elements, usually rated around about 3 kilowatts. Most people don't use them because they're too expensive to use, so we're using gas. So the Smart Power Controller works out the exact amount of excess electricity that's being generated at any time. I know that there's a lot of excess energy being generated firsthand because I have a solar system at my house, and during the summer periods I'm generating on average between 20 to 27 kilowatt hours per day. And a little earlier, gentleman mentioned that on average, actually, I think it was Simon mentioned on average people are actually using around about 10 kilowatt hours a day, so it's an awful lot of excess amount of electricity disrupting the low voltage networks.